We got the youngsters coming out to feed with moms. I put all their dads on that side and just left them with their moms. The dad could still feed them through those panels. So all youngsters are on the floor. There's some still down there under where the nest bowls are. These are most of the youngsters. 90%, 14 of these youngsters are going to New York, upstate New York. They already purchased. Some guy bought them already. The other 5 youngsters are going are going to Texas. As soon as they can, the 14 youngsters are leaving Thursday, sorry. 14 youngsters are leaving Thursday. This guy is very special right here. I like his characteristics, so I'm gonna ask to see more of him in the future. Got my first mealy bar, even though mom is right there, mealy, but she's like on the lighter side. You know? See the paraffin right there, that red checker, she's gonna be special too. That's a hen. She's a little big, but I'm pretty sure it's a hen. The other babies are still down there, they don't wanna come out yet. That mealy right there in the corner that just turned around, she's gonna be nice too. Mom's right here, the blue bar of pie. They're over there on the other side having eggs. I'm not keeping those eggs there. I don't breed in the summertime. In That's the only issue right now. I only breed in the winter. I just bred these 20 babies, 21 babies. No, I bred these 20 babies just because they was in high demand. Somebody really wanted them, so I just bred the birds real quick. But as soon as Thursday comes, the birds get shipped out. I'm gonna cut out the breeding. Obviously, I already did. I put all the cocks on that side and left on the long tail. Right now it's hot, so give him some grit. I'm gonna give him a bath. I gave him a bath 2 days ago. It was hot. And today it seems like it's a little windy out, but it seems like it'll be fine for a bath. I let them out this morning for their fly, so and they came back pretty early this time. They came back around like an hour and a half, hour and 40 minutes or so. Well, they usually stay out a little longer. That's how I know it's gonna be hot today when they come back early like that. Even my ducks staying in the shade. Like I said, even though it's windy, but it's still hot. I got 2 pairs locked up right now that I just need 2 more babies. They're raising hatchlings I just hatched. Those are being sold too, and that's it. After that, I got the 2 grizzles up there, and a blue bar, and an all white on the bottom. The babies are looking really good. They're looking active. They're looking, alert. Yeah, man. Having pigeon is being a pigeon fancy, just being a pigeon guy in general is a acquired taste. A lot of people, they find out that I fly pigeons and shit, they be like, what? Typical questions that you would get that when people are not used to this type of thing. I would say I got some nice birds here going, so And jumping moms for food right now. And thing about pigeons too, like they'll feed each other's babies, moms and stuff like that, you know? She's gonna fly away from them in a little bit, keep messing with her.